Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to transfer money from a deferred payment to cash. This is useful if you want immediate access to funds that were originally set for later payment. Let's get started. First, open the app or platform managing your deferred payment. Log in with your credentials to access your account dashboard. Next, check your available deferred balance. Navigate to the section showing pending or deferred payments and verify the amount you can transfer to cash. Then, select the option to convert or withdraw. Look for buttons like Withdraw, Transfer to Cash, or Send to Bank Account and choose the deferred payment you want to access. After that, enter your cash destination details. This could be your bank account, mobile wallet, or any supported cash withdrawal method. Double-check account numbers to avoid errors. Next, confirm the transaction. Review the amount, fees, and estimated processing time before approving the transfer. Finally, verify the funds. Once processed, check your bank or wallet to ensure the money has arrived successfully. Keep the transaction confirmation for reference. Quick tips. Make sure your account is fully verified to enable cash withdrawals. Be aware of any fees or limits for converting deferred payments to cash. Track your transactions to avoid any disputes or delays. Transferring money from deferred payment to cash is simple and secure when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.